So cooking is a quite remarkable thing because it gives us an avenue for creating a lived experience of living beyond survival, of escaping a paradigm that we've been trapped in for some time, where we don't have to fight for everything, we don't have to fight for what's mine, we don't have to, we have everything we need, really, particularly if we put ourselves alongside, let's say, the needs of others. We're not sacrificing ourselves for other people, but we have our commitment and our responsibility for others first and foremost, and a real intention of being of service, where we make a commitment to be grateful, to tune into gratitude, to tune into generosity. When we develop a love for ourselves and a sense that we are deserving without grasping for more than we need, we trust that we ourselves are enough and that we will be looked after. This is a way of being that we have access to, or even an invitation to have access to, through many different avenues. But I'm presenting cooking as one extraordinarily simple and accessible way to develop a lived experience of what it means to live in this way and to see life this way.